Here's Ethan doing two of his favorite things, squealing and trying to crawl. He hasn't quite got it down yet, as you can see. He likes to get up on his knees and rock back and forth, but he can't really move forward with that yet. He can scooch, but he's trying so hard. It shouldn't be too long, and he'll have the hang of it. What are you doing, Goofy? What are you doing, Goofy head? Oh, you're trying so hard. Is that a smile for Mommy? You're so cute. Yeah. Yeah, you're such a cutie. You gonna squeal some more for me? Yes, you're so precious. Say bye-bye.